Cameron here with the Cameron team at Coldwell Bankers, Seacoast Advantage in Wilmington, North Carolina. I am on site at the landing at Lewis Creek. As you can see, this is a brand new neighborhood that's just starting to come out of the ground. It's located right off of Gordon Road. Brand new homes starting in the 190s. We've had a lot of inquiries about this neighborhood. We've done a couple of blogs about it. We've got the floor plans, we've got some information. As you can see, they're kind of still building the infrastructure of the neighborhood. Homes aren't quite ready to start going up, but if you want to get on our list to get information as this neighborhood comes to fruition, give us a call at 910-202-2546 or email us at CameronTeam@SeacoastRealty.com, and we'll be glad to keep you up to date as things move along. Remember, like, share, and comment on Facebook and YouTube to get in on our monthly drawings, and hope you have a great day.